We will start with next problem statement, that is implementation of C program to find area of circle. Okay, so first what we know that how to calculate area of circle and what area of circles required from user. So how to calculate area of circle? Area of circle is equal to pi r square, means r into r. Clear? Is equal to what? Pi into r into r. Okay, so using this formula, area of circle is equal to pi r square, that is pi into r into r. We know that what is the value of pi? Pi is equal to 3.14. This is the value of pi. So here what we require from user? Only radius. We require radius, that is user enters only radius. If user enters radius of the circle, then we can calculate the area of circle easily. Okay, for that first design the output screen. Clear? So how the output screen looks like, that is, this is your console or output screen. Here first is enter radius of circle. This is the message on your console. This is first message on console. After that cursor is blinking for taking value from user. Suppose user enters 1 as a radius. Clear? Then last message is area of circle is equal to. So area of circle is equal to 3.14. Clear? If the radius is 1, then area of circle is 3.14, because pi into r is equal to 1. So this is the output screen. Clear? That is end result. It looks like this on the console or text mode window. As per that, we have to design our code part. Now we can design our code part. First is the header part, header section. So include header files which we require, that is stdio.h and conio.h. So hash include stdio.h. Next include conio.h. In the C programming structures, C program structure, first part is header part. Include all header files which you require. So basically we require stdio.h because printf and scanf functions definitions are stored in this header file. Next, conio.h is required because getch and clear screen. These two functions definitions are stored in conio.h header files. Clear? Understood? Next, our program starts from main function. So write main function, main parenthesis, and return type of main function is void. In traditional C, most of time we can write return type as void because this main function does not return anything to disk operating system or simply OS operating system. If we use ANSI C, okay, so in ANSI C, here return type of the main function is always in. Clear? Because main function returns 0 for successfully termination of the program and non-zero value. Non-zero means any 1, 2, 3, any value if program terminates unsuccessfully. So this is the notation for ANSI C. Okay. So here return type is in, while we use ANSI C's compiler, but now we use traditional C's compiler. So write return type as a void. Meaning of that is this main function does not return anything to operating system. So return type is void. Next, think about how many variables we require for calculating area of the circle. So first is radius. So value of the radius is stored into some variable. So we have to create one variable called as radius, comma. Second to store area of circle. So we require second variable, that is area. So name this variable as area, semicolon. After that, decide the data type. Okay, which data type we want to choose here? Int, float, double, long, which data type? So here most of time area is in the float. Area of circle is float because 3.14 into r. Okay, radius must be in integer, but area is in the float. So we can choose float as a data type for both, because radius is also 1.2 meter or centimeter like that. So we can choose data type as a float. That is, user can enter floating point value from console. Clear? After that, clear screen. So whatever may be the previous output printed on your text mode window, that output get cleared by using this function clear screen, and this clear screen function present in con.io.header file. Con stands for console input output. So this function's definition, because this function is related to console clear screen, so this definition is present in con.io.header file. Next, what we want to give first message on the console, that is enter radius of the circle. For that purpose, use printf. Printf enter radius of circle. After that, cursor goes to next line. Okay, for scanning value from user. So for that purpose, use /n for next line or new line. Then complete the double quotes, parenthesis complete, and give semicolon at the end of each statement. Printf is one of the statements, so write semicolon at the end of statement. Next, after that, we want to take the value of radius from user. For taking value from user, that is runtime, user enters some value of radius. For that purpose, scanf statement is there. Scanf. Okay. So now that value of radius is in the float. You can enter integer, no doubt. What happens if you enter integer? We treat as a 1.0. Clear? So for integer, which formatting type is there is in the C language. So for float, integer, there is decimal t, percentage d. Likewise, for the float data type, formatting type is percentage f. So use percentage f. If you use percentage d, then if you enter the value 1.2, then also user takes only decimal value. If user enters 1.2 and press enter, then also only 1 is treated and assigned to variable. If you write percentage d as a formatting type, means in that float value only decimal value is taken as a decimal value, that is percentage d. And if you write float, then it is treated as float. But if you enter only decimal value, then it is treated as a 2.0. If you have write formatting type as a percentage f. Understood? Okay. So percentage f is for taking the value from user, and that type of that value is floating. So use percentage f and store that value at the address location of radius. So where we want to store that value? If user enters that value must be stored into RAM. On which partition? Stack partition, because this variable is also local. Radius and area, these variables are local, because storage type is not written. That means that variable is local variable or atto variable, and atto or local variables are stored on the stack partition of your RAM. Clear? So ampersand of radius. Parenthesis complete, give semicolon at the end of statement. Clear? After that, calculate the area of circle. For that area, we want to store the area into area variable. So area is equal to what? Pi. Pi means 3.14 into r or radius. What is the name of variable? Name of the variable is radius. So 3.14 into radius into radius. In C language, radius square operator is not exist. For that purpose, what you write? 3.14 into radius. That means pi r square or pi into radius square. After that, this calculation is done as per the instruction multiplication, and then whatever may be the value of area, that is returned and stored into which variable? Area variable. Now we want to print that area of circle. For that, this part is constant. Area of circle, this part is constant. Clear? For printing text data, there is available function is printf. Clear? Some part is variable part. Which part is variable? 3.14. That is area of circle. That part is varies as per your radius. Okay. So that varies part is denoted by formatting type. Clear? So printf, first double quotes, whatever may be the constant part, that is area of circle, that is constant part, is equal to. This is the constant part that is never changed at the time of execution of your program. Which one is the changing part? That is area of circle. So it is represented by formatting type, that is percentage %f, because area is in the floating point. Okay, that's why use formatting type as a percentage %f. Use double quotes, comma. Now, what is printed on the console? That is data between double quotes. Okay, but formatting data types are not printed. Instead of that, value in that particular variable is printed here in the percentage %f. So which value we want to print instead of percentage %f? Area. Value inside which is stored in the area variable. So write comma area and semicolon. Don't write ampersand. Clear? This is the syntax. While you printing the data and some part is variable denoted by floating percentage %f or percentage %d or percentage %c, that part and the value after that don't write ampersand. Ampersand is given only at the time of scanning the value. That means taking the value from user, at that time scan and use ampersand. Okay, after that last statement is get ch to freeze the console, curly bracket of main function get completed. Now memory management. This is output screen, means this screen is displayed when you run your program. Save this total file using .c extension. Suppose area of C. First save this file using area of C. Area.c. .c is the extension. Clear? Because we can write the program in C language. So extension is .c. After that, on the console there is one button called as compile. After compiling this program, whole program, area.obj file is created. Okay, which is in the binary format. When you after creating the area.object file, there is one button called as run or tab is there. You can press that button. Then after pressing run button, area.exe file is created. Okay, and completing whole process, one extra file is created that is called as area.bat file. Clear? This is executable file. When you click on this executable file, it is directly executed. Means what? It gives the output like this. If you open this area.c file, then it gives it is only source code. It gives you source code. If you open the area.object file, it is in the binary format, so it is not in the readable format. Okay, we cannot read. There is some symbols, different symbols. We cannot read it. Okay, and area.back file, that is in the, this is also backup of your source code, so it is readable format. This is whole source code is there in the area.back file. Clear? So there is total 4 files are created at the execution of, at the end of execution of your program. Okay, next, memory management. Always remember that memory management is there because there are two variables, radius and area. For that, how many bytes are reserved? So float, if the variable is float type, then 4 bytes are reserved for that type of variable. For integer, 2 bytes. For float data type, there reserves 4 bytes on your stack memory. So on the RAM, on stack partition, 2 variables, that is radius and another one is area. Okay, for that 2 variables there is memory management for these 2 variables prior to execution. It is called as compile time memory management. Next, when user enters, suppose at radius, suppose radius is 1, so it is stored at 1.0 here. Suppose user enters 1 and press enter, then 1 is stored in the format of 1.0 floating point. Next, then area is calculated 3.14 into radius into radius. Radius is 1.0, 1.0 means area is 3.14, and this value is stored in the RAM, that is 3.14. After that, area of circle, this message equal to printed on the console, and whatever may be the value stored in the area, that is displayed instead of %f. So that is your last output. Clear? Okay. So today we will stop here.